Please remain on your side, otherwise I will not speak. Be professional. I have rules. No red M&Ms. Sit on your bloody side. Simple. Your people put red M&Ms in my room. I threw them. I cannot work under these bloody conditions. You better fix this. Oh, hello.
Hi, y'all. We are back.
Guys and girls, not just guys. In fact, no guys really follow me.
They follow me.
So many.
I'm Sheena.
Bald guys, hairy guys.
This is Trent. And we are back with another
That
episode.
one guy with the lisp with the camo jacket every time sending those videos.
We
Why
are
don't we talk about him? Huh? Sheena?
We're back with another episode of Asinine Advice, where we take your questions and someone
I did
gives
my eyebrows.
terrible advice.
I give the truth. You come here for sugar-coated advice, you're on the wrong page,
Let's
Henrietta.
just see.
It'll be called asinine questions.
It's
and
not-
very sane advice.
No, because
Because
it's terrible answers. With the holidays approaching, people are asking, is it too soon to put up our Christmas tree? Because 2020.
By the time you air this episode, it's not too soon anymore.
So
So
do
just
it.
put it.
Yep, I think...
You're late! You should have put this up on Thanksgiving.
I think it's
If you are
never
waiting
too
for this
soon.
answer, you have been fooled. Don't
your
wait
tree
for
up.
someone to tell
I
you, put the
agree.
tree, man.
This tree has been up for a week. Okay, next holiday questions. What do you do when you don't want to see your relatives this holiday season?
Why do you have to see your relatives? Are your relatives crazy enough to travel this year? In the COVID? No. On this week's family Zoom call, you keep a little thing like this of black pepper. When no one's looking, you get your face out of the Zoom box, you sniff it quickly, and you just sneeze right in the camera. Like that, splatter all over the screen and say, oh no, I'm fine, it's nothing. Don't worry, I've been sleeping in all the guest rooms, so my family is fine.
This is
When
bad.
you come, your room will be ready
Don't
for you.
pretend to have COVID.
Yeah. You don't say you have the COVID. You just say, not feeling great. My thermometer is sensitive. I don't like to put it, where. So I
Do
just,
not fake COVID.
fake the COVID.
It's not okay.
And
but
then they will not come see you.
it's okay to be home and be safe.
So you're saying my answer.
No fake
You want to fake the COVID or you tell them I hate you? You pick. Okay? Do like her. Just say, I want to stay safe and I hate your face. Next question, please.
When are we going to see your face?
Hit that button, man. How many times I've said this?
1 million subscribers. So just subscribe.
Probably next
Subscribe.
year, if you guys subscribing to the button.
People really want to know. They're very curious about you. I don't understand what it's all about. What should I get my 19 and 23-year-old daughters for Christmas? And also, what's the best thing to get my 21-year-old daughter? Two separate
Why do
questions.
those 19 and 23-year-old get something different from the 21-year-old? Why does this woman speak of her children
They're
like
two
this?
separate questions.
Listen, man, if you have a 19, a 21, and a 23, you don't talk to the 21 in one line and 23, then 19 the other way, okay? The one in the middle will feel bad. I will not answer this lady.
How about some Sheena and Trid merch?
Don't get my merch. Okay, maybe for the one you don't like. The 21-year-old. Why is
What
it showing
about-
on the monitor flashing?
What about
two separate
some-
questions.
Two separate questions.
Why you don't say that, man? Amateur hour. Listen, money. Let's talk about this for a second. Stop buying these nonsense
No.
gift cards, please.
No.
Adam, read clause 4 of my contract. When I'm answering a question, you wait your turn.
No, you have to wait
Okay,
your turn.
please finish.
I think you should get something nice, like something thoughtful, sentimental. What do they like? Do they like jewelry? Do they like...
Do you think they would be asking you if they knew any of these things? Think for a second before you answer.
Yeah.
They don't know you. These strangers are asking you for help, and your answer is, oh, what does your child like?
Yes.
Bloody, if I knew my child, I wouldn't be asking a stranger on the internet want to get them, man. Why is today your goal to embarrass all these people? Have some diplomacy, please. I understand where you're coming from. You have no relationship with your children. It's okay. A lot of people are like that. You pursue profession. It's okay. They still love you. You want to buy their love. I understand. Okay, this is how you do it. Money. If they're in Mexico, pesos. If they're in England, pounds.
What's wrong with a gift card?
Gift card is like a way of saying I don't want to give you money, so I'm going to give you this stupid card that is supposed to have money sitting in the card. So let me go and put money from my wallet in this card. I'll give you this card. You take this card to this one random shop, which I don't know if you like. And then you pull money, my money from this card, you pull it out and you give it to this merchant. Why can't we just turn right when we want to go right, people? Why you have to go left, and then come back to the same spot? Please be sensible, give money. Just say, look, how many years have you been estranged? 5 years, $500. Simple, $100 per
They're
year.
estranged.
The people know. No
I
return,
think you should
no
get
exchanges.
some Sheena and Trid merch.
Don't get the merch.
I think so.
I don't return, you don't know their sizes. So better you just give money. You don't know what they want. Nobody fits into the things they used to fit into the last time you saw them. Just give some money and say, look, man, take the money. Please go buy yourself booze. Go buy a pet chinchilla. I don't know. You're a weird guy now. It's been 9 months you've been locked in your house. I don't know what weird fetishes you've developed.
Someone wants to know how they get an A in algebra.
How do you get an A in algebra?
Study.
There are already 2 A's in algebra. At the beginning and at the end. You, my friend, will not be getting any of those.
You gotta study.
You are asking these 2 people who don't have algebra how to get an A in algebra.
You're not gonna get it.
You're not getting an A in algebra. There's 1 B in algebra. That's also not yours. Hopefully you get a C in algebra. Again, I tell it like it is, but it's okay. This year your parents will be giving you lots of money. Next question, please.
What are some do's and don'ts on a first date?
Farting is a must.
Hell no!
Yes. That's how you know if the relationship is going to be solid. There's another question you told me before. What do you cook on the first date? Beans. Just cook beans and just let it rip. See what happens. Silent but violent kind. That's okay. Loud and proud. Whatever your preference.
Who's going on first
They're
dates
wearing
during
masks
COVID?
on the face. They can't even smell. Just let it go. Zoom date. Pretend it's your foot on the leather stool. Whatever, man.
How do I get my sister to stop giving unsolicited advice?
Tell her, sister, shut the bloody your mouth. Did I ask you whether you like my patloons or not? Who gave you license to speak to me like this? We need to be more straight with our thoughts. Just
Rude.
translate them from here to here.
No.
Out.
No.
Whatever
you
you're
have
thinking,
to
you
think
say it.
about your thoughts.
No, don't think.
And think if they're gonna hurt somebody's
No,
feelings.
no.
My husband doesn't fold the towels right. Should I punish him or get a new one?
Hey man, your husband actually folds towels.
That is lucky.
You are worried about the way they're folded?
Why can't you just show him how she likes them folded?
She's clearly tried.
Get a
You
new
should-
husband?
Because the towels are not folded right. Can you explain to me how you will get this other husband? Do you have a plan? Will you go to Bed Bath & Beyond and hide in the next aisle and see, throw all the towels on the floor and see who comes? And who has your folding style? Is this your system? You should have done that the first time. Crazy lady, close the windows on these thoughts.
There's a lot of women who are asking if they should break up with their men or whatever. My boyfriend wears a black t-shirt. I want him to wear paisleys. Since he won't, should I break up with him?
No. You people, you are threatening to leave someone in the COVID because they don't pick the clothing you want them to wear and they don't
What
fold their own
does
towels.
the COVID have to do with that?
They can't meet anybody. Sitting in their homes. Bloody, this is what you do.
all of you have been spending too much
I have
time
an answer
together.
for you. You take that paisley shape that you like. You
Yes.
put little ones on his shirt and you cut them out.
On
Those
his
black
black
t-shirts
t-shirt?
with that paisley cutouts. Everyone's happy.
Give it to him for Christmas.
You get paisley, he gets
It's a
black t-shirts.
t-shirt. That's a good idea.
Okay,
How
what you
often
have?
should I wash my bed sheets? Once a week.
Depends on what's happening. What are you doing in your bed? Look, man, how often do you wash your body? Are you a daily washer of the corpse or are you like a weekly washer?
Why
Because-
corpse?
What is the issue, man? I don't understand your show. Constant questions for no reason. Oh, is it time? This is my favorite part of the show.
Should I get a tattoo?
Yes, close the windows tattoo. Come on, man.
How do I tell someone their taste in music is terrible?
Take earplugs to their house.
How should I respond the next time a friend who always says he's busy rejects my invite?
Take a clue, man. This is not a friend.
How do I get my boss to pay me what I'm worth? I've had 3 positions and I have 3 titles.
Go get another job. Don't take it. Start conversations and go back to this employer and say, look, it's been great collecting these participation trophies you've given me every year, but I'm not into acrylic and fake plastic rewards. I want the paper. I think that's what the kids call it these days.
Last question. How do I tell my boss I quit?
Like this. I quit.
That's you're fired.
You're fired from being my boss.
That
how
is
it goes.
all for this week. Thank you all for watching. Peace.
What was that?
That's my sign out.
What? This show.
Okay,
man.
what's your goodbye?
This is all insane, man. People really need to get their